Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by, checking out this product review video. Appreciate your time and your support. Today we're going to be doing a film screen protector install for my Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. The name of the company, initials LYWHL. This is an Amazon Choice film screen protector, enhanced thickness, anti-fingerprint, and bubble free. It says 3x3, meaning that you're going to get 3 film screen protectors in this package and 3 camera glass protectors. On the back, there is some information there. You should read everything. I will be leaving a link down below in the description area for Amazon. And then when you're over there, you will get some information there on the product itself. Again, there's the Amazon's Choice, and we're looking at $11.98 is what I spent. You can buy some film protectors and camera glass protectors for $9.98 for the S23, and for the S23 Plus, $9.98. So 10 more cents than what you would spend over on the S23 film protectors with camera glass protectors. So mine's for the Ultra, and $11.98, not a lot of money to protect your investment. Now what I'm going to do is go upstairs in the kitchen and do the actual install. Here in the garage in my little YouTube studio area, a little more particles of dust flying around, and not so much in the kitchen. It's just a lot easier. And then once I'm finished, I'll come back down here, we'll try a couple cases on, and we'll end the video. All right, so let's go upstairs to the kitchen. Film screen protector from top to bottom, side to side, corner to corner, everything looking great. But we have to put this film screen protector to the test with all of these cases. I do have 3 cases over here that have bigger camera cutouts. We have the Civilian UAG, we have the Atomic Slim 4 from Ghost Tech, and we have the UB Pro rugged dual layer case from Subcase, which is going to fit with this camera glass protector, but will not work with these cases. We have a different type of setup on the back of these cases. We have the Samsung silicone case with strap, individual cutouts, We have the Rinky Onyx Dark Green case, individual cutouts, and we have the Monarch Pro from UAG with those individual cutouts. So I'll have to remove that glass camera protector on the back. But if this is your style of case, well, we're going to see how it works. This product works with that huge cutout. But what we're mainly here to see is how well this film screen protector is going to work with all of these cases. And right away, it looks like the frame is going to sit over the edges, because I don't see, well, there we go. We only have this little area exposed right there, right where the area is recessed, where the combo earpiece and speaker. But the edge right in here is underneath the frame. The same with the frame on the sides. The film protector, screen protector, is tucked away underneath, even down at the bottom there. Now I'm struggling to get the back part of the case on due to that camera glass protector. It's hitting right underneath the cutout there. So it's going to work up here as far as the film screen protector being case friendly with this case. But if you're going to use this camera glass protector, it's a no-go. Okay, remove that and you're going to be fine up in here. You have a lot of depth with this cutout. You have a lot of protection going on there. That went on a lot simpler. And I'm looking around. The edge of the screen protector is right above the lip area there. And the sides, the film screen protector is tucked right along the sides there. But I do not see any lifting up top or at the bottom or the corners, which is really nice. Actually, I can see the edge of the screen protector just right in there. There's a little bit of gap between the screen protector and the lip on both sides. I know that's really hard to see. There, you can see it there, I think. You see it right in there. So that is definitely going to work. And if you want to use that camera glass protector, that's going to work with the Ghost Tech Slim 4 here, the Atomic Slim. Very nice. And what you want to do is be careful when taking off the case, because the edge of the cutout can catch that camera glass protector and pull it off. So I would put my thumb in there like that, remove it, clean off your thumbprint, right? No lifting. You can see the edge up top of the screen protector right in there. That is nice. And the edge of the screen protector right in there. There you go. Wow. All right, so that's going to work, and the camera glass protector is going to work as well. It looks kind of funny though, because there's a lot of gap with this huge cutout and the camera glass protector. So if you're willing to deal with that, so far the Ghost Tech is working with this camera glass protector the best. Bam, right here. That one wins. All right, now I have to remove it. There we go. All right. Let's get a close-up right in there, so you can see the edge right there and right up top. So you got a little bit of a gap, and that's nice, because you don't want the lip at the top, bottom, and sides to lift that screen protector up. And you can see the edge right there, right in there. That is nice. So that is going to work as well. No issues. Usually start to see it right away, any lifting. Okay. Just trying to see where the edge of the screen protector is. And there's the receiving area for the combo earpiece and speaker. I don't see any issues. Yeah, there it is. There it is. Okay. That looks like it's going to work as well. Very nice. So the lip on this case dips down a little bit more. Let's see. There's the edge. Coming around the corner there. Yeah, you can see that right there. Up top. When I press on the sides like that, or push in like that, a lot of times it will lift the corners and the sides, but it's not doing that. Yep. All right. It looks like, from what I can see, all these cases are going to work with this film screen protector, but as far as the camera glass protector, none of these type of cases with those individual cutouts. The Ghost Tech Atomic Slim 4, that'll work. It works with this one too, but there's a gap, which looks funny. This cutout here is not as big as that cutout right there. And with that, there you go, folks. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it very much. Now I think I'm going to use this case right here. Yeah, that is just bold. Yeah, that is nice. All right. Thanks for watching. God bless you all. Peace. Please leave feedback if you have a question. And yeah, that's it. I'm going to take a drink of coffee.